So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are fine, amazing, popping and well. In today's vlog, I'm gonna be sharing 6 amazing skincare products to glow your skin 2022, and I'm gonna be giving amazing tips, especially for beginners, in order to take care of your skin regardless of the skin type, and obviously create and remain on a skincare routine, because without a skincare routine, actually there is no product that is going to work for you. Even though you buy it over 1 million Ugandan shillings, there is no product that is going to work when you have not actually stuck with it consistently. And if this is the first time you're watching my face over here, hi there, I'm tanyanishailoc. I'm a Ugandan beauty and lifestyle content creator. Please go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, share out with friends and family, and let's just dive into the video right now. This brings me to the first product that I want to share with you. This is the Geisha black soap going on over here. I've just gotten out a new one to show you guys, because recently Geisha did roll out its black soap. This is in moringa oil, and this is one of my absolute recent cleanser. If you have been a long kind of mine, you know that I love my BB Glow cleanser from Langda Jewelry Store. But recently, someone recommended me Geisha black soap, and specifically in moringa. And guys, as you see that my skin has been glowing and glowing, I usually love to use it with this amazing pad going on over here. I usually get these pads actually from Chikubo at 1,000 Ugandan shillings. I use these, and I go smoothly and gently throughout the whole of my skin, very absolutely well. Also, this particular sponge is so freaking good when it comes to getting off your excess makeup, and not even excess, but generally your makeup, you know, your lipstick, lip balm, mascara, whatever the case may be. It soothes any sensitive skin. It doesn't specifically target a particular, skin type. For example, people with dry skin can use it, people with combination to oily skin can use it, and people with actually very oily skin can also use it. So I actually recommend it a lot. This brings me to the second product that I want to be sharing with you today. These are the Love Jojo Vitamin C Toner and the Love Jojo 92% Aloe Vera Toners going on over here. These are the absolute toners for combination to oily skin. If you don't know, guys, I have combination to oily skin, and my skin most of the time it tends to be sensitive to any toner that is actually not aloe vera. I love using the vitamin C, the Love Jojo Vitamin C Toner, especially on days when I'm going to be actively in the sun. I love to just splash this all over my face. Jojo Love Toner going on over here, especially on days that it is very absolutely cold, and my skin is trying to react to almost anything, you know. But the other amazing thing I love most about this product is because it has methyl hydroxybenzoate. And if you don't know that particular component, it's one component that actually helps to bring your pores together absolutely very well, especially when you have a little bit of widened pores, and especially when you use it on daily occasion, like morning, evening, you're going to see a very huge change in your skin, and actually on how your skin actually does appear. You can actually get these two products from Langda Jewelry Store, Complex Building, level number 5. This brings me to my next product. These are my moisturizers going on over here. So one of these days, actually, I've been using a lot of different moisturizers, but most importantly, the main component is that they are all gel moisturizers. So recently, I did realize that I was reacting so freaking badly towards cream moisturizers, and whenever I would put them all over my skin, I would break out a lot. And when I actually started using anything gel, I did actually see a very huge change on my skin, and how actually it did react with this particular product. So the first product I want to be showing you, it is from the fruit of Volcanic going on over here. This is aloe vera 92% smoothing gel, and this has been one of my absolute products. This is made from natural aloe vera, you know, purely from from plants, necessary to every family. It is safe and very, very reliable. And the most amazing thing, guys, I love about this particular product, it's because it helps to moisturize. It shrinkens the pores, especially when you have a little bit of widened pores. It pulls back any, compact dirt. It controls your oil over the rate at which your skin produces oils, and it is anti-sensitive, meaning that every person of any skin type can actually use it. And it is the same when it comes to this other moisturizer going on over here. For this one, this is the skin repairing snail smoothing gel, and this one specifically, it is made from a little bit of ingredients to help you, especially when you have combination to oily skin, but almost they use the same ingredients. Both of the products, actually, I got them from Langira Jewelry Store going on over here. When it comes to the most ingredient that actually I love most about this, it's because it has the methyl propane. If you don't know methyl propane, it is almost the same as the methyl hydrobenzoate, actually I've just talked about, but this one is specific because it targets more pores that actually have resisted going back or shrinking back to their normal or natural way. Not forgetting, guys, recently I've been also using the fruit of Vocali. This is 99% aloe vera. Remember that this is only 92%. Yes, this is only 92%, but this is 99%. This brings me to the next product. This is the Charcoal Sherbet Body Scrub. Most of the time, I recommend that actually use scrub once a week. If possible, please use scrub once a week, because when you use it concurrently, it can end up again damaging your pores instead of actually rejuvenating and helping you getting rid of dead skin or dead cell around your face. So please use this once a week. But recently, I've been loving the Charcoal Sherbet Body Scrub. This is also from Fruit of Vocali. You can actually get this from a lot of different shops and different stores here in Kampala, Uganda. It makes your skin very, very smooth, and above all, it balances salts all around your face. Not forgetting, it helps you to brighten up a little bit of dull, rough skin around your face. This is very, very absolutely important, but I recommend it to do it once a week. This brings me to the cleaning metallic volcanic mud going on over here. This is actually one of my recent products that actually I've been loving to use, but also I recommend it to use once a week, especially when you're just starting out. Actually, this product excludes impurities and toxins. It fines, smoothes your skin, and above all, it improves on the effectiveness of your face fiber, and it makes your face to glow, and to be a little bit more vibrant and full of elasticity and preventing aging. But again, I actually recommend this, use it once a week, though it also has this particular component that restores youthful skin and bright skin, but use it once a week. And the other amazing thing, guys, you can actually use this on all other body parts that you are interested in, making sure that actually they are unified, around your thighs area, around your armpit. This product actually works like magic. As for my lips, actually, I love using the Fruit Lip Balm in the flavor of strawberry going on over here. Hopefully, you can see it very absolutely well. Yes, this is how it does look. I just love to take just a little bit and go around my lips, just like that. If you have any other type of lip balm, you can actually use that. So thank you very much, you guys, for watching today's video. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share out with friends and family, and above all, let me know what you thought of the whole of this video from start to finish in the comment section below. Until we meet next time, Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now.